There are people in your life who decided you were weak the moment you walked in. Not because you are weak, because you moved like you were. And the worst part? You had no idea it was happening. You were talking, smiling, trying, while they were already writing you off, in silence. That's not opinion, that's psychology. Studies show humans form dominance judgments in under 200 milliseconds, before your mouth opens, before your handshake, before your first word lands. 200 milliseconds. You've already lost rooms you don't even remember walking into. But some men never lose the room, ever. You've seen them. They say less. They move different. And somehow, every eye follows them. That's not charisma. That's a code. And tonight, you're going to learn it. Most people think they've been overlooked because of what they lack. Wrong degree, wrong connections, wrong background. But deep down, you've felt it, haven't you? That moment in the meeting when you spoke, and the room just moved on, like your words dissolved into air. That weight in your chest, that cold, quiet realization that something is off, but nobody will tell you what it is. That silence is the answer. See, there are two kinds of people navigating this world. Those who are felt before they speak, and those who disappear inside their own sentences. The difference isn't talent, it isn't luck. It's something they were never taught in school, never posted on the internet, passed quietly, from the powerful to the powerful, until now. There are three things the powerful understand about presence that most men will never learn. The first, stillness is a weapon. Weak men fill silence. They talk to comfort themselves. They over-explain. They laugh too fast. But a man who can sit inside silence, unbothered, unrushed, signals something ancient to the human brain. Danger, respect, control. The room doesn't ignore a still man. The room watches him. The second, your body is already speaking. Right now, before this video ends. The angle of your jaw, the width of your stance, whether your chest is open or collapsed inward. These aren't just posture tips. They are signals your nervous system broadcasts to every person around you, and their nervous system receives it, automatically, unconsciously, truthfully. The third, scarcity creates gravity. The man who is everywhere commands nothing. The man who is selective, with his time, his words, his attention, becomes someone worth pursuing. Scarcity isn't arrogance, it's architecture, and you can build it, starting now. Now here's what nobody wants to say out loud. You already know most of this. Somewhere inside you, you knew stillness was powerful. You knew presence mattered. You've watched certain men command rooms and felt something stir in your chest. Recognition, not surprise. So why aren't you doing it? Because authority is uncomfortable to wear when you were never told you deserved it. Think about that. You weren't taught to take up space. You were taught to earn space, to wait, to prove, to shrink just enough to keep people comfortable around you. That's not humility. That's a cage someone else built, and you've been decorating it. The men who project authority without words didn't find a secret technique. They simply stopped apologizing for existing. That's the real lesson. Not posture, not eye contact. Permission. You have to give it to yourself. Remember what I told you at the beginning, that someone had already decided your power before you spoke a word. I want you to sit with something tonight. Not a technique, not a checklist. Just this. Every room you've ever shrunk in, You were the one who gave them permission to make you small. Not your boss, not your father, not the people who overlooked you. You. And the same way you handed that power away, you can take it back. Not loudly, not desperately, silently. Because the most dangerous person in any room is the one who finally stopped needing the room to know their worth.